Hello friends, Cape Town is the first major city in the modern era to face the threat of running out of drinking water. Today, whatever we use, wear, buy, sell and eat, it takes water to make it. So, water is the most important element of our earth. Because of water, living organisms are only present on our beautiful planet. Before proceeding, do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the future updates. So, let's start. Do you know from where water came to our earth? As per Adam Serafin of the Woods Hole Oceanographic Institute, origin of Earth's water is around 4 billion years ago, when the remaining inner solar system were still forming. As per the scientist, many myths are present. How water comes on Earth? Let me explore the two facts. After the collision from comets or water-rich meteors from the outer space, it leaves hydrated mineral on the Earth's surface, and gradually that minerals dehydrates and brought water to our Earth. Water may also come from volcano. During volcanic eruption, water vapor emits into the atmosphere and further it condensed to form rain. Slowly it filled our Earth's oceanic basins. Let me show the life timeline. Universe are originated approximately 13,000 million years ago. Solar system are originated approximately 5,000 million years ago. Then it's time for the entry of water on our Earth, and it's approximately 4,000 million years ago. Due to the availability of water and sunlight, photosynthesis process started, which results in growing of plants, and it was approximately 3,000 million years ago. So water is the main source for generating living things. After arrival of water in our Earth, now it's time to sustain that water. It can only be possible through water cycle. Water cycle is the continuous process by which water is circulated between the atmosphere, soil water, surface water, groundwater and plants. Now, water cycle consists of three major processes. Evaporation. When sun rays spreads across water in pond, then water evaporates and change from liquid to gaseous or vapor state. Condensation. When water vapor goes to cool air and form cloud is called condensation. And last one is precipitation. Water falls from the cloud towards the ground in the form of rain is called precipitation. So, let me take few examples of food items which consume respective amount of water. If you are a chocolate lover, then before consuming, think again. To produce 1 kg of chocolate, it consumes 24,000 liters of water. If you are a meat lover, then this is for you. To produce 1 kg of meat, it consumes 15,500 liters of water. If you like to eat olives, then this is for you. To produce 1 kg of olives, it consumes 4,400 liters of water. Desserts are tasteless if we don't use sugar. So to produce 1 kg of sugar, it consumes 1,500 liters of water. And finally, if you like to drink coffee, then to produce 1 cup of coffee, it consumes 140 liter of water. Now we move on to learn what are the further uses of water in present scenario. Agriculture. Whatever food we eat, it's fully dependent on water. Water is used for irrigation purpose. Basic human needs. Our body consists of about 70 to 75% of water. This is the reason why it was recommended that for healthy life we have to drink more water. Apart from drinking, it's used in bathing, washing and cooking. Hydroelectricity. Today whatever equipment we use, it runs through electricity. So water is used to generate electricity through hydroelectric project. Industries. Today each and every industry needs water to run their manufacturing unit. Without water, no manufacturing unit will run for a single day. As world population is increasing day by day, but the water is limited. Do we know how much water is available for living creatures? 96.5% of our earth is surrounded with oceans, but we cannot use that water because that water is not fit for drinking. 0.9% of saline water present, that again not fit for drinking, and only 2.5% of fresh water is available for living creatures. So the water which is available for us, we are continuously polluting through municipal pollution, all household waste like wastewater of clothes, utensils and sewage, industrial pollution. During manufacturing of any products, lots of water is used. So if used water from industry mixed with fresh water, it obviously pollutes. Agricultural pollution. We use fertilizers in our farm, but you may be surprised to learn that even the fertilizers we use use on our lanes and farm fields are extremely harmful to the environment. Fertilizers from lawns and farm fields wash into nearby rivers, lakes and the oceans and further it pollutes. Mining activities. Water pollution problems caused by mining including acid mine drainage, metal contamination and increased sedimentation levels in the streams. Oil leakage. Oceans are polluted by oil on a daily basis from oil spills, routine shipping, runoffs and dumping. Oil cannot dissolve in water and forms a thick sludge in the water which is threat to local marine wildlife such as fish and birds. So let's start doing good practices to save, reuse and reduce. For car washing, instead of washing through continuous water flow pipe, we should adopt single water bucket and sponge for washing. For gardening, sprinklers and hoses are used which throw a lot of water into the air and soil where much of it evaporates before it even hits the soil. Better invest and install timer based drip irrigation. The automatic controller will deliver the optimum amount of water for gardening. Install rainwater harvesting system. It is a technique of collecting and storage of rainwater into natural reservoirs or underground tanks, which will be further used for household purpose like drinking water, washing, cleaning and gardening. Irrigation pipes and any leakages or plumbing issue lead to wastage of water. It should be fixed immediately. For drinking purpose, we all have fixed RO which produces 85% of fresh drinking water. Store that reject water for further domestic usage. Water evaporates in sunny weather. Avoid watering in daytime as sun heat will evaporate all water content. Practice it to water during early morning. Reason evaporation rate is slow as compared to peak sunny morning, so water holding for more time. So at the end, I would like to state that water is the most precious thing which we got from the nature. Without water, no living things will survive. It's our moral responsibility to save and not to pollute water. As the clock is ticking fast to say goodbye 2018, let's take the pledge that from today onwards I will not waste single drop of water, adopt water saving practices and keep our earth blue for existence of mankind. Thanks for watching.